An artist. Yeah. Are you good at it?
Yes.
So guys, I literally just got done picking out my outfits for today's shoot. They're so cute. I have a ton of options. I just wanted to give her a variety, but I'm doing a very soft, simple glam. A little bit of shimmer, a little bit of dewiness because we're trying to get into spring. So that's the vibes for today. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my makeup. I'm not gonna do a talk through just because I'm on a time crunch. So you guys get to just sit and watch and enjoy me do my makeup. If you got any questions, make sure to leave them down below. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not going to do my lips right now because I want to do them fresh for when I'm actually taking my photos. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all my stuff and head out. So guys, leave it to me to leave some shit at home. So my ass is on my way back home because I left some important shit, like my clothes. What was I thinking? I was gonna shoot naked? I think so. Like, that was my end goal, was to shoot naked. So we're going to go back home. Hopefully she don't hate me because I'm a little late. I feel like shit for being late. Like, I hate being late. I was literally on time until I realized I left my fucking clothes. So I'm about to head back and we're gonna restart this. Lord Jesus. Alright guys, so this is my outfit for the shoot. This dress is literally so big, but I intend to still sell it if somebody wants to buy it. But I'm just shooting in it because it's really pretty. And this is what my hair looks like, even though it's a bit messy. I'm about to fix it really quick and then we're gonna get started. Guys, this is my new friend Tracy. It's Tracy, right? Okay.
Hey guys.
She's thinking about shooting right here. I really like that too, of course. It's just cute in general. But I love it. I brought my little flower vase head from home to play off the colors, so I'm excited.
Yeah, we're gonna start like on the floor.
Okay, just tell me what you want me to do, girl. My neck was turned around. Like it?
Yeah.
I get excited.
But
I was so shy. Lizzie, shoot, I like this playlist, girl.
my name is playlist 96 classics, because I feel like when we get older, these gonna be classics.
Yes.
Are you good at poses?
Yeah.
Okay.
What, stand-up poses?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, girl, I've been taking photos for a while.
One person asked me, I was like, girl, I can't.
Pose me? Is that what they told you?
Yeah.
All right guys, so we're all done shooting. The photos came out really good. I'm really excited.
Thank you for trusting me.
Yes. What's your business at so I can put it in the video?
Trade Aesthetics Official.
Y'all heard her, Trade Aesthetics Official. Follow her.